I grew up in South Central Los Angeles, and my mother was the neighborhood cat lady. I had a cat, and it had an injured leg from getting run over by a car. And I used like two popsicle sticks and some tape to kind of help it out. I don't know if that was a good job or not, but I knew that that's what I wanted to do. My name is Barbie, and I'm a student at American River College. I came to American River College to study animal science with the intention of transferring to UC Davis's animal science program and to get into their graduate veterinary school. I was actually trying to get into college, so in the process of looking at colleges, I joined the Navy. I became a hospital corpsman in the Navy, which is their medic. I chose to be a medic because I wanted to gain medical skills that would help me in the veterinary field. And so even while I was in the Navy, I would also volunteer with animals. Like I didn't stray far from animals. MESA is the Math, Engineering, and Science Achievement Program here on campus. And I found MESA because I was looking for math tutoring. I love all of the tutors in MESA. I love the MESA space. Like, I went in there and it took all my anxiety away. Like, I have a lot of anxiety when it comes to math, and that disappeared because they just make you feel better about doing math. They make it seem less hard. This semester, we're hosting chemistry workshops to help students practice chemistry, and MESA's also helping with that in the STEM home base, where we play games like Chemistry Jeopardy and then just practice what would be difficult with students before they take their exams. In MESA, I did do the professional development program. Through that, I was able to talk to a couple of professionals at UC Davis. And then I also talked to and was able to shadow a veterinarian recently, Dr. Bazorgmanesh, who is a doctor in the equine medicine. So during the shadowing, I was able to get experience of what their day was like. So what they started off by doing their rounds, going through their patients, seeing what they were gonna do for the day and come up with a plan. And then we went to go see a miniature donkey as the first patient, which was great because she was so cute. Oh my God. We got to do an ultrasound on her, which was great. They were able to show me like what the lungs look like on an ultrasound, what the umbilicus looks like on an ultrasound, and then point out how like pneumonia would look on the ultrasound, which was interesting. The whole time in my head, I was like, you cannot steal other people's animals. Like, it was great connecting. All of it was great. And I really appreciate the PDP program for that. Come to MESA because MESA is gonna allow you to be your best self. It's gonna allow you to drop those fears, and you're gonna end up feeling like you just kind of have this family of nerds. Like, if you like math, dude, like, you can come chill. Like, if you like engineering, like, come chill, come learn, come take a nap. Mesa's like the place.